Good morning, people. Chef Olivier here. Today I'm going to make a quick video. It's an experiment. I'm doing a clafoutis with cranberry. That would be perfect for this winter, holidays, Christmas, all this stuff. All right, so I got some stuff ready because it's the boring part, which I already done for you. But I'm going to show you exactly what I got, okay? So let's go here. Let's go on that camera right here. Boom. First thing, you cut those fresh cranberries, cut them in half, put some sugar on it, like a couple of tablespoons. Just let it sit for a little bit, okay? All right, next. This is my flour. What I've done is flour, but did I put my cinnamon? Oh, I put my cinnamon, I put more cinnamon. So I put my dries in there, cinnamon, orange zest. For the flour, just so you know, I use that. Let me show you what it is. It's really good. Okay, I want you to do it gluten-free. So I do it gluten-free because I'm doing it for a friend of mine who's gluten-free. And since I don't need sweet, perfect. All right, so I got my stuff. I got vanilla in there. It's really simple. Huh? For clafoutis, the trick is start at 375, reduce the heat, and wait. It's literally like it's like a quiche with no dough. So anything with eggs, and I don't know if that's going to be big enough, but we're going to try, okay? Anything with eggs, guys, you need a lot of butter in the bottom, otherwise it's going to stick like crazy. So let's do that. Let's put some tons of butter. I put the butter really. So I'm going to go crazy on that. You see, I need you to see what I'm doing. Actually, let's go here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. All right, so you guys go crazy on that butter. First of all, it's really good, right? Gives you a lot of good flavor. But make sure it's all in the corner. Look at that. That should be really good now. Cool. All right. I can put that back in the fridge or whatever. All right, done. Now, next is this. I'm gonna put, okay. So the trick is this, you guys. Let's start. We're gonna put first mix dry and wet. Now we're good. Okay. So this is my wet. This is my dry. And I'm gonna put that and just mix it. It's pretty easy stuff. Yeah. No big deal. All right. You can do it slowly or whatever. I mean, whatever. It's fine. It's all good, right? It's all good. And then whisk. Okay. Now, there we go. Boom. Cranberries. So I think, yeah, whatever. All right, good. All this. Okay. And that goes literally on top. Super simple, huh? You guys. Beautiful. Okay, the dish is good enough, so that's the recipe. Exactly the recipe, so that goes in there. That's great. Good to know. Pretty, huh? Now, you guys, one thing is everything that goes into the oven needs to go on a tray, okay? Especially when it's liquid. You guys understand that, huh? Because otherwise, if something happens in my oven, it's going to go everywhere. It's going to be a mess. Impossible to clean. Something happened. And then I'm going to put some, these guys on top. Nuts. Almonds. Cool. Just like that. Wow. You can put sliced lemon also. Whatever. Great. Now, oven 375 for now. I'm going to put it in for 15 minutes and then 350, okay? So 375 right now. Alors, 375, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, cool. And I'll come back in 15 minutes and we're going to see what it looks like. Oh no, I'm coming back later. In 15 minutes, I'm going to put it at 350, and then we're going to cook it, and then we'll come back and we'll show you what it looks like. Great. It's not quite 30 minutes on this 350. I'm already switched the temperature from 375 to 350. That oven is going really quick. It's a very strong oven. And then let's check it right now. It's been not much, 15 minutes. All right, I think it's done. How do I know? Oh, there we go. You see, it's firm everywhere. Done. Beautiful. Wow. Very nice, huh? Super cool. Make sure that, okay, be careful, it's hot. No, it's all done. Okay, so I'm going to let it rest. That's fantastic. Yep. All right. Done. All right, so you have to check. It asks for 30 minutes when you go on 350, but that was 20 minutes. Again, that oven is really, really strong. The way it's strong, it's very tight, so the temperature stays really well in there. That's why. Okay. Some ovens are big, they have leaks. So every oven different. So now I'm going to pull that, let it cool here. I'm going to show you. This is kind of important. So this needs to cool here. Here we go. Okay. And what's going to happen? What's going to happen is going to start to shrink. Once it shrinks, I'm going to take it off and put it on here out of the glass and let it cool for about 20 minutes. And then we're done. That's super easy. Huh? Those are easy dessert, guys. Super easy. Clafoutis. Super cool. All right. Good job. Bye-bye.